Greetings and welcome to Principles of Management. I'm Helen Panza, your Principles of Management Business 220 instructor for this term. We're going to have a fun term. We'll be meeting 4 times on Zoom to discuss various management ideas and learn new topics. We'll be talking about things like leadership style, teamwork, communication techniques, and maybe even management skills. Please join me on either Tuesday morning at 8 a.m. or Wednesday evening at 6 p.m. beginning April 13th. I'll be sending out reminders for these live meetings. There's only 4 of them. You do get points for them, and they're going to be fun. It's a good way to interact with me and other students. Other ways to learn in this class includes posting and commenting on YellowDig. There's a new version of YellowDig available, and it promises to be more interactive, more fun, and you need fewer words to get credit on your YellowDig posts. So make sure you take a look and keep up with YellowDig. You'll be doing your Learnits as usual for your classes online. You'll learn new terminology and new management topics. Make sure you keep up with them. You can't get them done all at once. Take your time, work on them a couple days a week. There'll be 4 assignments required for this class. Take a look at when they're due, spend some time on them. They're going to take a little thought, but along with your knowledge and your experience in management and the book, you will be able to breeze through the assignments in a very effective way. You can always reach me if you have questions through my SMS text messaging, the number's at the top, or through inbox at Bryan University. A couple other tips: stay organized, plan your week out. When are you going to work on Learnits? When will you work on your assignments? Put calendar entries in your calendar. Set an alarm. I know you'll be successful in this, and I know we're going to have fun learning about crazy management principles. I will see you Tuesday or Wednesday, and have a great week.